Today it is time to share my latest Joy of Blue project for the Joy of Blue collaboration. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. Today is the Joy of Blue collaboration project share day, and this is a collaboration hosted by Sarah, who is crafting and relaxing here on YouTube. And there are other participants that will be linked down in the description box below. And we are all playing with the color blue in any type of crafty form. So this month for the Joy of Blue, I am working on craft show projects. We are well into the swing of our fall craft shows. And so I focused on some items for craft shows. And I was replenishing our Happy Hanukkah block sets, and they are actually reversible. They reverse to Passover, but for today we're going to focus on the Hanukkah side because it has blue. So I make two different variations of this, one where there's more of the pattern background. When I cut the letters with my silhouette, I get the letter, and then I also cut a rectangle around the letters, so then it gives me like a kind of the, I guess, negative. And so then you just have more of the pattern background, and the letter itself is the wood grain showing through. So we do two versions. I was just replenishing this version this week, so that I would share it for this collaboration. If you would like to try your hand at making this, this is a great gift idea or decoration, you know, for a friend who's of the Jewish faith. And if you would like to try your hand at making one for yourself or for someone as a gift, we do have some kits available that give you everything you need: the blocks, the letters, the Mod Podge, the brush, the words, the vinyl words, everything that you need to make this yourself. So kind of a DIY version of this block set. I will link that down below. And we also have other variations like Christmas, 4th of July, fall, but today I'm focusing on making up some of these Hanukkah sets. So this is the first project I made. Next, to kind of coordinate along with that, I made a stackable set. So it says Happy Hanukkah, and then you have the candles, the menorah candles, and then this one also reverses to Passover. But again, just focusing on the Hanukkah side today. I used coordinating papers that I used to make the block sets, and then brought in some darker blue vinyl for the words, the candles, and then just some white vinyl for the flames. So those are my projects. And then Ellie has also been working on Joy of Blue. She has been selling jewelry at our craft shows. And so she made some blue bracelets. She's got one that's more of like a turquoise. I love the pale colors and the hearts. Then she's got an all blue, kind of smaller bead bracelet, and then even smaller bead, like that's blue and white. So she made those so that she can restock for our craft show this weekend as well. And then when she was working on more washi tape projects for me, this is one she didn't have done for my Smash Our Stash project share, and I still need to laminate it, but she took like blues and turquoises to make another washi tape bookmark just on some cardstock. So I have a variety of types of crafts for you today. Some paper and washi type crafts, some jewelry, and then some decor style crafts. But like I said, we're in full swing with craft shows, so that's kind of where everybody's focus is right now. But hope you enjoyed these Hanukkah projects and Ellie's blue projects. If you have any questions, let me know. Be sure to check out the links below for the other participants in the collaboration. And I thank you guys so very much for your time, and hope you all have a very crafty day.